What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are taking a look at the Latercase Cyber Edition for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So you can see right here on the box, impossibly thin case, designed in Canada, made with Kevlar. And then on the back, ultra thin, only 0.6 millimeters, super lightweight, only 10 grams, superior texture, and stronger than steel. So this case is going to be for those of you that frown upon, slapping a big bulky case on your phone. If you want that super minimalist type look, super minimalist type design, not looking to add a whole lot of size to your phone, then this is going to be a case that's up your alley. So let's go ahead and get the box open, slap it on the phone, and we'll see exactly how it looks and kind of go from there. All right, so right off the bat, you're definitely going to notice that you're getting some really nice packaging with this case. I know for a lot of people that doesn't really mean very much, but for some people that kind of goes a long way. It just kind of sets the vibe and sets the standard for the product that you're opening. So it is something that I wanted to mention just in case that is something that interests you. So moving on to the case itself. This is it right here. And man, I will say this is probably the lightest case that I've ever felt in my hands. This thing almost feels like I'm holding nothing. So as far as being super lightweight, featherweight, as they say on the box, I can definitely attest to that. Super thin as well. Get a closer look here. So you have that carbon fiber design going on. And I really like the fact that they have the individual cutouts for each of the cameras as well as the flash there. So let's go ahead and slap this on the phone and see exactly what we're working with here. So go ahead and pop that into place. I don't know if you guys heard that, but you're getting a very secure fit. Fits nice and tight, nice and snug. So just kind of gripping the phone. Case is not going to move around at all. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back. That looks very nice in my opinion. Like I said, I love the fact that you have all of the individual cutouts for each of the cameras. That gives you a very, very modern look in my opinion, very sleek look. So that's something that I like compared to another case like the Pataka case, which has just kind of the open cutout for all of the cameras. On the side, similar to the Pataka case, you have just that cutout for your buttons. So there is nothing covering up the buttons. They're all the way exposed. So, you may or may not like that feature. Also, the top of the phone as well as the bottom of the phone is completely exposed. So that's something you may or may not like as well. Personally, I would have liked it if they just covered that part. So that's something that I do like on the Pataka case compared to this case, is the fact that you get that coverage for the top as well as the bottom. But with this case, something that I like on this one versus the Pataka case is the camera cutouts and how they're super precise and you're getting cutouts for each individual camera. So man, incredibly lightweight. The grip is perfect, very easy to grab. And it almost feels like there's nothing on the phone. So again, if you're looking for that super minimalist type design, super slim fitting, super sleek, this is definitely going to be up your alley. So let's go ahead and get a closer look and just show you like the edges of the case so you can get a closer feel for the level of protection that you're getting. So it does come up nice and close to the edge of that curved screen. So I do like that, but again, you do have that completely open bottom as well as the top. So that may be a concern for you. So really quick, let's go ahead and test out the wireless charging. So we'll go ahead and grab this guy here, set the phone down, and instantly you can see that the phone starts to charge. So that is the Latercase for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Cyber Edition. So super minimalist type design. If that's what you're looking for, this is a great option.